Aim the base of fire. Squeeze the nozzle and aim side to side.
Squeeze the nozzle. Squeeze the lever.
Squeeze the lever.
Baka makikita yung nozzle.
Okay, twist the pin and pull the pin. Aim the nozzle. Squeeze the lever and aim side to side.
Squeeze side.
Squeeze side.
Squeeze.
Okay, go. Squeeze the pin and pull the pin. Aim and pull the lever.
Ano ba yun?
Twist.
Twist the pin, pull the pin, aim the nozzle of the fire, squeeze the lever, and sweep side to side.
Well done.
Need to
Finger.
shut up, swipe the pin, and then we need to pull,
Twist.
twist the pin and pull the pin, and we need to aim the base of fire or the nozzle, and we need to sweep it side to side. We need to
English po.
sweep the extender or the, and we need to sweep it side to side.
Ay, galing. Oh, Day, vlog mo.
Ito na, yan mo lang ganyan.
Ayan mo lang daw ganyan.
Okay. Marami niyo sa buko. Sige.
Switch the pin, pull the pin, and
Aim the nozzle.
in nozzle and side to side, then switch the lever.
Tad. Squeeze muna ah.
Switch the lever,
And then,
side by side.
Tandaan nyo kasi lagi yung
Take five, take five.
T-pass ba? T-pass.
Right.
Twist the pin, pull the pin, and the nozzle with the base of fire. Squeeze the lever, and then sweep side to side.
Ulit. Huwag ka mahiya.
Sige, may.
Ayos ano ba eh?
Pull the pin. Aim the nozzle on the base of fire. Squeeze the lever.
Squeeze the lever
And sweep side to side.
squeeze side by side.
Sweep side.
Squeeze by side.
Sweep side to side.
Sweep side to side. The base of fire.
Oh, hindi, sa liver lang. Okay na yan.
Hindi ko alam ito eh.
Ulit.
Pin,
Twist the pin.
pull the pin,
Pull the pin.
aim the nozzle
And
In the nozzle.
on the base of
The
fire.
base of fire.
Squeeze the lever.
Squeeze the lever.
Bigaan.
Tiga,
O
and
sweep
then.
and side to side.
The base of
Oo.
fire.
Ay.
Ayos na yun.
Pangino, parang kang nakakita na.
Hindi ako marunong. Susunod na lang ako. Wala akong
Hindi
experience.
ka marunong. Tuturuan ka nga. Hindi mo namin sasabihin namin.
Sige.
Ako na bigyan sa'yo.
Ayaw na. Ayaw ko mag-video dito, no?